Hello, beautiful set of people. You're welcome back to another episode of Do It Yourself Complete Mini Importation Training with Zion Hub Logistics. So, if this is your first time of seeing a content like this, if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, here we are like family. We discuss everything that have to do with mini importation, arbitrage, how you can make money online, and most especially on mini importation and exportation business, right? So do well to join our community by smashing that subscription button just to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So whenever we post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you. And just in case you are looking to join some groups that you can post your item where you can meet with different importers that you can start buying items from, or maybe RMB rates or pre-order or stuffs like that. I already created a Facebook group where you can do well to join other mini importers to receive updates and to also ask questions. So you can check it under the description button of this tutorial, or you check the comment section. I'm going to be leaving the link there. Just click it and you will see something like join Facebook group. So you join it, right? So in today's tutorial, we are going to be looking at how you can manage multiple warehouse address or shipping address on idle fish, right? So if you are just buying, or if you are buying for the first time, I've already recorded a video on how you can add your shipping address. But in this case, maybe you've used a address before and you want to change it to another address. That is what I'm going to be teaching you today. So I was supposed to help one of my customer to procure this item here. So we've already discussed about the price, and me and this supplier, we've chatted, we've negotiated. He has shown me the picture of what I needed and the likes, so you can see it here. So I wanted to make a payment, but this my customer said is going to be using his warehouse address, so I want to change it from my own to his own. So how do you do it? The first thing you want to do is to come to this guy here showing this side of this corner here. Click on it, right? So once you click on it, it will take you to this page. Once you get to this page, just find your way to this settings icon here where we have this guy here. So you click on it, right? So clicking on it will take you to this part, to this page. So I already know where I'm going here, but I'm going to be showing you what it should look like. So you are going to be clicking on this second page. So let me just screenshot it and head over to my Google Translator to show you guys what this page really looks like. So this is my Google Translator now. So I'm going to open my camera here. So once I open my camera here, then I will click on upload. So I will upload this guy here, and you can see here at the second option we have address management, right? So you click on the second option, which is the address management here. Once you click on it, it will take you to this page. So you want to click on this first page, but let me also do well to translate this page for you so you can understand what I am doing. So you can see it here. So this first one is if you are returning, okay, this guy here have to do with if you are returning an item. This simply means return address, but in this case we are using shipping address, which is this first one here, right? So you are going to click on this first one. So once you click on it, let me click on it. All right, so I've clicked on it. Now you can see that this is the default two address that I've already added on this idle fish. I told you that I'm making use of the new ones now. I want to add new ones. So how do you add the new ones here? You just want to click on where we have this guy to add a new address. So I'm going to click on add now. So after I click on add, this is what it should take me, and you can see that I've already copied this warehouse address there. So what I need to do now is just to click on this yellow guy here, and it will automatically fill in itself directly. It's as very simple as that. So let me click on the yellow guy, and you can see it here. It has already filled in itself. So I'm just going to add the postal code for this address, which is this guy here. You can see it here, this one. So I'm going to add the postal code. Already added the postal code now. Now the next thing I'm also going to be telling you is to add, don't forget to click on this guy to add this address as your default. Although it's not a must you add it, right? If you are using it for just one time thing, it's not a must. But if you want to save it permanently, just check in that box and it's going to add as your permanent address. So once you are done with this, you want to click on this yellow guy here to save this address. So after you save it now, you will be able to use the new address. So you can see now it has successfully been added. So it has not only been added, but it is also added as my default address, right? So now the next thing that I'm going to do now is to go and complete my purchase, right? So let's say I want to buy this item now. It will be easy for me to just go down to the supplier here and make my complete purchase of this item, right? So if I'm to say I want to click on this guy here, so I'll just do what? I will complete my registration. You can see it here. So once you just get into this page, make sure that you can see that the address is still there. This is the address we just added. So it's very simple and straightforward tutorial. So I'm going to be ending the video here. I wish I could just buy, or should I just go ahead to make the purchase? So let me click on this red guy here and do what? And make this purchase. I'm just going to click on this blue icon to make this payment. So I'm going to click here as well. So the payment will go directly without any, as you can see it here. So I'll just input my payment password and you can see that the payment was successful and this is the payment receipt and I've been notified. Let me click on this notification. You'll see that I've successfully made a complete purchase on this app. So let me wait for this guy to come up. So let me just go to my profile to show you that the payment was successful, right? So if I'm to click on this guy here, it will show me the details of the payment analysis. So let me click on it here. And once I click on it, you will see the payment history of what I just paid for and when the item is likely to be delivered. So let me wait for this page to come up. So you can see that this is the payment here. This is the payment I just made. So let me screenshot this page and go to my Google Translator to see what we have. So you can confirm that this is a payment. This is a successful payment. This is what we just bought here. They said within 24 hours that this item is going to be delivered. And you can see it is under what? Waiting for seller to ship. So this is it. This simply means that this payment was successful. Any moment from now, it will still move to from this to be delivered to awaiting receipt. So that is how to make a complete purchase on Fish and how you can also change your address, right? So I hope you find value in watching this tutorial today. So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial. And if you are still finding it very difficult to do what? To chat your suppliers on Fish, you can definitely reach out to me. I can help you resolve this problem within a jiffy, right? So thank you guys for watching this very tutorial to the very end. I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can also chat supplier on Fish.